Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find x here and the other angles you have here that are actually expressed in terms of x, okay? To solve this, again remember, anytime you need to find x in this case, keep in mind that you need to find an equation, okay? For you to solve for x here, you need an equation. Now you have a triangle, therefore you know, since it's a triangle, you know that if you have the first angle plus the second angle plus the third angle, if you add all of them, the sum must be 180 degrees, okay? So you have to keep this in mind. So that's what you use to form that equation, okay? Now, what's the equation? Let's say you call the first angle right here, what you have here, the first. If you call it the 90 degrees. Now, as you can see here, they don't tell you what it is because they know you have to know it's 90. Okay, so I'm going to put 90 for the first. Okay, 90 degrees. Plus the second one. Second one in this case, let's call this the second one. So I'll put 4 times x minus 8. Okay, degrees. Plus, you don't have to put degrees by the way. Plus the third, I'll call this the third. So x plus 2. Okay, all right, equals to 180. Okay, now once you have this, all you got to do now, guys, is just to solve this. All right, making sure you solve. Okay, so now let's go ahead and solve this. Now let me try to do it here so I can have enough space. Now let's solve this. You have 90 plus, I'm gonna distribute here, by the way, this is degrees. I'm gonna distribute here. So it's 4x, 4x, then 4 times negative 8, okay? Then 4x minus 32. So 4x minus 32 plus x plus 2 equals 180. Okay, now I just need to combine like terms. Okay, I'll combine like terms. I'll have 4x and x, so that's 5x, right? I think only the x's I have here, so 5x. Okay, then I combine these values here. Now negative 32 plus 2 is negative 30. Okay, negative 30 plus 90 is negative 60, positive 60 by the way. Okay, so you have 60. Let's check again. 4x plus x is 5x. Then negative 32 and 2 is negative 30 plus 90 is 60. Okay, 60, and this is equal to 180. All right, so you have now 5x. I want to solve for x, so I'm going to move this over. Subtracting 60 from both sides, I'll get 5x equals to 180. Now let me put this subtract, so 120. Remember, I just said you subtract. Let me write it so everybody could see what I just did here. I just subtracted 60 from both sides, okay? And that's why I got 5x on the left now equals to 180 on the right. 120, I'm saying, on the right. Then you divide by 5, both sides by 5, okay? If you divide both sides by 5, you get what? Okay, you get 24, right? 24 as the value of x, okay? 24 is the value of x. Now, if you have x, it should be pretty easy for you guys to get let's say, this angle and the other angle, because now the second angle will be, what? 4, I'm here, and I'm going to replace x by its value. So it will be now 4 times x. Now x is 24 minus 8, okay? And this is 4 times 24 minus 8 is what? 16, right? 24 minus 8 is 16. So 16 times 4 is 64. Okay? 64. So this is the second angle. Now third angle is this one here. It was, remember, x plus 2. So I'm going to replace x by its value. So it's 24 plus 2, which is 26 degrees. So you have the x value as 24. I have it here. So x equals 24. And you have the angles as 90, which is what you have here. The other one as 64, what you have here. And the last one here at 26 degrees. Okay? So this is how you do this. Knowing that the sum of the angles of a triangle and a triangle is 180. Okay? You start with this, and it's easy for you to solve for the x value and the other angles. Okay? Thank you.